Hello children. In this video I am going to explain the difference between three popular type of network devices, that is hub, switches and router. Let's start with hub. Hub is a cheap and simple device that can connect to a bunch of computers to each other, but they are creating problems for its bandwidth. A hub is a networking device which is used to connect multiple devices in a network. They are generally used to connect computers in a local area network. And how the hub is working? Hub broadcasts all messages to every computer on the network, but only the intended recipient computer takes the message. That means the sender sends the information to the hub. It replicates its data. That means hub replicates its data on the other interfaces. It works like data comes to hub from the sender and comes out to all the systems connected to it. All other systems are called receiver. So the sender system send the data to the hub, and the hub provide the data to all the systems that connected to the hub. Hub never check which system should be the proper receiver. Hub is working in this manner. That's why first itself I said it's create problem for its bandwidth. That means if it receive the data to all the systems, huge waste of bandwidth. And the computer that are not the recipients of the message, that particular recipient devices should ignore the messages. And hub is also called concentrator or multi-station access unit. I hope you understood how the hub is working. Each incoming bit is replicated on all other interfaces. And it is a simple and cheapest way to create a network. And it provides the data to all the receiver, so lot of unnecessary traffic will happen, and it provide the data to all the receiver. Automatically it will cause the security issues. Then the next device is switch. How the switch will work? Every packet of data straight to the particular receiver. How the normal switch will work? Once if we on the switch, that particular light or fan will work. In the same manner, this network device switch also will work. Every packet of data straight to the particular receiver. Switch never provide the data to all the receivers what they connected to the switch. So it's called hub's smarter brother. So the switch will provide the data or that particular packet of data to the particular receiver. So there is no problem for the security of data, and it should not create any bulk traffic of data. So there is no problem for huge waste of bandwidth. So let's see in detail. Like hub, switch also has many ports to which computers are plugged in. Network switch is more intelligent device than hub. Switch improves the efficiency of the data transfer in the network. From this figure you can make out the sender send the data to the switch. The switch will directly provide to the particular receiver. It should not provide the particular packet of data to any other devices connected to the switch. So it receives a message from any device connected to the network and then transmits the message only to that device for which the message was sent. And next is the most popular network device called router. A router is a networking device, connects multiple networks using similar or different protocols. Routers are used when several networks are connected together. The router is an intelligent device. It manages the best route between any two communication networks. and it uses some algorithms to find the best path to transfer the data packet. You probably have a private router in your home. It forms like a bridge between your own private network and the network of your internet provider. A router receives and sends data on the computer networks. Routers are sometimes confused with network, hub, modem or network switches. However, the router can combine the functions of these components and connect with these devices to improve internet access or help create business networks. Just as a switch connects to multiple devices to create a network, a router connects multiple switches and their respective networks to form an even larger network. These networks may be in a single location or across multiple locations. When building a small business network, you will need one or more routers. Unlike a hub or switch, router is concerned with transmitting frames. A router is to route packets to other networks until that packets ultimately reaches its destination. So let's conclude. What is the main difference between a hub and switch? A hub is a networking device that allows you to connect multiple PCs to a single network, whereas a switch connects various devices together on a single computer network. Then comparison between switch and router. Is a switch faster than a router? In various type of network environment like metropolitan area network and wide area network, the router works faster compared to switch. In a LAN environment, that means local area, if the network is a local area network, a switch is faster than a router. So where we will use the router will use for metropolitan area network and wide area network, and switch is mainly used to connect local area network. So consider to wide area network, router is faster than switch. Compared to local area network environment, switch is faster than a router. Routers can work within both wired and wireless network situations. Switch are restricted to only wired network connections. I hope you understood about the three popular type of network devices: hub, switch and router.